Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Himox Ap01 filter is probably one of the most essential components for maintaining the optimal performance of your Himox air purifier, ensuring that the air you breathe is consistently clean and free from pollutants, allergens, and odors, making it a crucial investment for any household prioritizing respiratory health and a fresh living environment. Number 5. Himox Ap01 Filter Replacement 2-Pack. Ensure you have the Himox Ap01 or H01 model. These replacement filters are specifically designed for these units only. Please double-check your air purifier model before purchasing. Experience superior air purification with our advanced 3-stage filtration system. It effectively captures 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, including dust and allergens. This makes it ideal for homes with pets. Our upgraded filter features a thickened activated carbon layer, significantly improving its ability to remove unpleasant odors and fumes. It tackles everything from cooking smells and pet odors to VOCs, ensuring fresher air. This value pack includes 2 replacement filters, offering a cost-effective solution for your year-round air cleaning needs. For optimal performance, we recommend replacing the filter every 4 to 8 months. We offer 100% customer satisfaction. If you're unsure about compatibility, send us a photo of your unit for confirmation. If you're not satisfied, contact us for a refund or replacement. Buy with confidence. What we like. This filter offers a powerful 3-stage filtration system, including a thickened activated carbon layer for superior odor removal. If you have pets or frequently cook, this filter is an excellent choice for tackling tough smells. Its cost-effective 2-pack ensures you're covered for a long time. What people say. The filter is a perfect fit for the Himox Ap01 air purifier. It effectively captures dust, pet dander, and other airborne particles, improving air quality. The HEPA filter is easy to install and replace. Number 4. Ecleanfy Ap01 air purifier replacement filter, 2-pack. Ensure your Himox Ap01 air purifier is always working at its best with our perfectly compatible replacement filter. Please double-check your model number before purchasing to guarantee a perfect fit. Experience cleaner air thanks to its advanced 3-in-1 filtration system. It effectively captures 99.97% of airborne particles, including dust and allergens, for a healthier living environment. Crafted with high-quality materials and advanced technology, this filter offers lower wind resistance and higher efficiency. This ensures maximum filtration while saving energy and extending its lifespan. Breathe easier all year round. It effectively tackles pet dander, hair, unpleasant odors, and gases, providing you with consistently fresh and clean air. This package includes 2 replacement filters, ensuring you have a spare ready to go. For optimal performance, we recommend replacing the filter every 6 to 8 months. What we like. Featuring an H13 grade filter and advanced, energy-saving technology, this option provides high-efficiency filtration with lower wind resistance. If you're looking for a filter that balances performance with energy efficiency and a longer lifespan, this is a great pick. It effectively handles pet dander and unpleasant odors. What people say. The filter is a perfect fit for the Himox Ap01 air purifier. It effectively captures dust, pollen, and pet dander, improving air quality. The HEPA filter is easy to install and replace. Number 3. PUREBURG replacement filters for Himox H04 air purifier. Introducing the PUREBURG replacement filters, designed to work seamlessly with your Himox H04 air purifier. Experience cleaner air with our advanced filtration system. Our 2-in-1 filter features a 4-stage filtration process. It effectively captures 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring a healthier environment. The H13 True HEPA filter tackles dust and PM2.5 particles, while the activated carbon layer eliminates VOCs, smoke odors, and common household smells. Keep your air purifier performing at its best with simple, tool-free replacement. Regular changes ensure your machine stays fresh and clean. We guarantee top-notch quality for maximum customer satisfaction. Just remember to remove the new filter from its plastic bag before installation for optimal performance. What we like. This filter boasts a 4-stage filtration system with H13 True HEPA, designed to capture 99.97% of particles and reduce VOCs. If you're concerned about chemical pollutants and smoke, this filter is ideal for creating a cleaner indoor environment. It's compatible with the Himox H04 model. What people say. The filter is easy to install and replace. It effectively captures dust, pet dander, and other allergens, improving air quality. The filter is designed to fit the Himox Ap01 air purifier perfectly. Number 2. PUREBURG replacement filters for Himox Ap01H01 air purifier. Introducing PUREBURG replacement filters, designed to keep your air pure and clean. These filters are compatible with Himox Ap01 and H01 air purifiers. This pack includes 2 high-efficiency filters featuring H13 True HEPA filtration. They are designed to capture 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. Our advanced 3-stage filtration system effectively removes large particles and PM2.5 dust. It also tackles common pollutants, ensuring cleaner air for your home. The activated carbon layer works to reduce chemicals, VOCs, and common household odors. Enjoy a fresher living environment with these powerful filters. Replacing your filter is simple and requires no tools. For optimal performance, remember to remove the new filter from its plastic bag before installation. Regular replacement ensures your air purifier operates at its best. We recommend changing the filter monthly for continued freshness and cleanliness. What we like. With a 3-stage filtration process including H13 True HEPA, this filter is excellent at removing fine dust and common pollutants, as well as VOCs. If you need a reliable filter for general air cleaning, odor reduction, and tackling household smells, this is a solid choice. It's specifically designed for the Himox Ap01, H01. What people say. The filter is a perfect fit for the Himox Ap01 air purifier. It effectively captures dust, pet dander, and other airborne particles, improving air quality. The HEPA filter is easy to install and replace, requiring no special tools. Number 1. Nispira True HEPA Filter for Himox Ap01H01, 3 packs. Introducing the Nispira True HEPA Replacement Filter, designed specifically for your Himox air purifier, models Ap01 and H01. This pack includes 3 filters to keep your air clean. Our advanced 3-in-1 filter combines a HEPA filter, a preliminary filter, and activated carbon. It's engineered to provide comprehensive air purification for your home. The True HEPA filter is highly effective, capturing 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. It works diligently to remove allergens and fine dust from your environment. Beyond particles, the activated carbon layer works to neutralize common household odors and unpleasant chemical smells. Enjoy a fresher, cleaner-smelling home. The preliminary filter catches larger particles like dust and hair, helping to extend the life of the main HEPA filter. For optimal performance, we suggest replacing the filter every 6 months. You'll receive 3 filters in this pack, ensuring you have replacements ready. We are committed to 100% customer satisfaction, offering quality that matches or surpasses leading brands. What we like. This pack includes 3 3-in-1 HEPA filters, combining a preliminary filter, HEPA, and activated carbon for comprehensive air cleaning. If you prefer to have extra filters on hand and want a solution that tackles dust, hair, and common household odors, this 3-pack is a convenient option. It's designed for the Himox Ap01H01 model. What people say. The filter is easy to install and fits perfectly into the Himox Ap01 air purifier. It effectively captures dust, pollen, and pet dander, significantly improving air quality. The HEPA filter is designed to trap 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.